In a quiet forest, filled with birdsong and the sparkle of flowing streams, lived a curious little cat named Mochi. Her orange fur shone like the setting sun, and her big round eyes always sparkled with wonder. This is the story of how Mochi met a very special friend, a friend from the water, glowing with all the colors of the rainbow. This is Mochi and the Rainbow Fish. It was a warm afternoon. Mochi was lying on the soft grass by the river, purring gently as the sunlight tickled her fur. The breeze carried the scent of flowers, and the sound of the river was like a lullaby. With her eyes closed, Mochi dreamed about adventures, about faraway places, and about friends she hadn't met yet. Little did she know, her dream was about to come true. Suddenly, shine! Something sparkled in the water. Mochi's eyes flew open. She leaned forward, her whiskers twitching. "What's that?" she thought, peering into the rippling stream. The water shimmered with a mysterious light, brighter and brighter, as if calling out to her. Mochi's heart began to race with excitement. And there it was. A tiny fish, but not just any fish. Its scales glowed in every color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. A rainbow fish. The fish looked up at Mochi with gentle, shining eyes. Mochi tilted her head, surprised. "A rainbow fish? In my little river?" she whispered. The fish swam closer as if to say, "Yes, Mochi, I need your help." With a splash, the rainbow fish leapt from the water. "Come on, Mochi," it seemed to say. Mochi's paws bounced on the soft ground as she ran alongside the fish, giggling. They played by the river, splashing and chasing one another. The forest echoed with laughter, like two old friends who had known each other forever. The fish swam quickly, leaving trails of rainbow light in the water. Mochi followed, leaping from rock to rock, eyes shining with joy. Birds fluttered above them. Butterflies danced in the air. For the first time, Mochi felt she had discovered a magical secret hidden in her own forest. But then, the sky grew dark. Raindrops began to fall. Drip, drop, drip, drop. The forest turned gray and misty. Mochi held up a big green leaf like an umbrella. She smiled at her rainbow friend. "Don't worry, I'll keep you safe and dry." The rainbow fish swirled happily in the water. Even in the rain, their friendship shone brighter than ever. Later, the rain stopped. The sky burned with gold and orange as the sun began to set. Mochi sat quietly by the riverbank, watching the rainbow fish sparkle in the glowing light. Neither of them spoke. They didn't need words. The gentle sunset said it all. This moment is precious. The river grew wider and wider until at last the sound of waves filled the air. Mochi's eyes widened in wonder. She had never seen such a vast, endless sea. The rainbow fish leapt high into the air, glittering against the horizon. It was time for her friend to go home. Before leaving, the rainbow fish swam close. With a gentle splash, it popped out of the water and gave Mochi a soft little kiss on the cheek. Mochi's heart glowed as bright as the rainbow above them. She closed her eyes, smiling with all her heart. "Thank you, my friend," she whispered. The rainbow fish swam toward the horizon, where the ocean met the sky. Its shimmering tail disappeared into the rainbow's light. Mochi sat on the sandy shore, watching quietly. The waves whispered softly, and the rainbow glowed above her. She knew she would never forget this day, because sometimes even the smallest meeting can fill your heart forever. And so, under the colors of the rainbow, Mochi whispered goodnight to the sea, to the fish, and to a memory that would sparkle for all time. And that was today's story, Mochi and the Rainbow Fish. A story of kindness, friendship, and a little bit of magic. Close your eyes now and dream of rivers, rainbows, and shining friends waiting just for you. Sweet dreams. And that was today's story from Mochi's Wonder Days. A cozy village, gentle friends, and just a bit of magic. What do you think will happen next time? Another adventure? A funny surprise? We'll have to wait and see. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can join Mochi and friends again soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.